Assalamuallaikum everyone. Hope you're doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and welcome back to my channel Arabic Classes with Nia. In today's video we're gonna learn food in Arabic. So let's begin. First food item we have apple, which means tufah. Next word we have halib, which means milk. Let's repeat one more time. Halib, which means milk. And next word we have ice cream, which means بيضة. Let's repeat, بيضة, which means ice cream. And next word we have pizza. In Arabic it is very similar to the English one, pizza. Let's repeat, pizza. Next we have egg, which means بيضة. Let's repeat, بيضة, which means egg. And our next word is cake, which means كعكة. Let's repeat, كعكة. Do you like eating cake? And our next word is سمكة, which means fish. Let's repeat, سمكة, which means fish. And our next word is جزرة, which means carrot. Let's repeat, جزرة, which means carrot. Now let's see what's our next word. Our next word is موز, which means banana. Let's repeat, موز, which means banana. What could be our next word? Can you try guessing any food which could be the next one? Yes, here it is. Watermelon, which means بطيخ. Let's repeat, watermelon, which means بطيخ. And our next word is strawberry, which means الفراولة. Let's repeat, الفراولة, which means strawberry. Next we have something interesting, question and answer session. Now let's see what could be the question. A person goes for shopping, but she doesn't know the names of the food she bought in Arabic. But can you help her out? These were the things she bought. She only bought 3 items, which I taught you today how to say in Arabic. The answers are here. Cake, which means كعكة. Carrot, which means جزرة. Milk, which means حليب. Let's repeat, كعكة, which means cake. جزرة, which means carrot. And حليب, which means milk. Well done if you got it correctly. Thank you, bye. Salama. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next video. Till then, bye.